Hey everyone, and welcome back to E-commerce Growth Experts. I'm Aimee, and in today's video, we're going to cover 2 effective ways to add videos to your Shopify product pages. We'll go over how to upload videos directly to Shopify and how to embed videos from YouTube. These methods can enhance your customer experience and potentially increase conversions. So let's get started. The first method involves adding your video to your Shopify's media gallery where your product images are stored. This is a great way to keep all your media in one place. There are 2 ways to do this: uploading directly to Shopify or adding a video from a URL. So to start, navigate to your Shopify admin. Go to Products and select the product you want to add the video to. In the Media section, click on this box, and then Add Media or Add from URL. For direct uploads, there are a few things to keep in mind. The video must be a maximum of 10 minutes long and should not exceed 1 GB in size. Shopify supports up to 4K resolution, so you can upload high-quality videos. Moving on, click Add Media and select your video from your computer. Once uploaded, your video will appear alongside your product images. This is an excellent way to showcase your product in action without the distractions that sometimes come with using external video platforms. Now, if you prefer hosting your video externally, click Add from URL. This is ideal for using videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Simply copy the URL of your video and paste it into the provided field. However, be mindful that using YouTube may show suggested videos at the end, which could distract the customers from the purchasing process. If you want a cleaner presentation, uploading directly to Shopify is often the better choice. The second method involves embedding a video directly in the product description. This is particularly useful if you want the video to be more integrated with the product details. For this, you'll need to embed the code, which is slightly different from just using a URL. To start, go to your video on YouTube. Click Share and then Embed. You'll see an embed code with various options. You can customize it by setting a specific start time, disabling player controls, or enabling Privacy Enhanced mode, which prevents YouTube from storing information until the video is played. Customize the settings and then click Copy to copy the embed code. Back in Shopify, go to Products and select the desired product. Now in the product description, click Show HTML or this icon. Paste the embed code in the HTML editor. Save your changes and your video will now appear directly in the product description. Embedding videos can be a great way to provide additional context or demonstrate your product's feature in more detail. Just make sure the video enhances the customer experience and supports your overall sales strategy. Always preview your product page to ensure the video displays correctly and is functional. Check both the media gallery and product description placements. Make adjustments as needed to provide a seamless experience. And there you have it, 2 versatile methods for adding videos to your Shopify product pages. Whether you upload directly or use an external link, videos can significantly boost your product's appeal and improve customer engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to E-commerce Growth Experts for more Shopify tips and strategies. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.